Shalom, brothers and sisters. Shalom. All praise be to the Most High. Just a quick topic, concerning. I've been seeing a lot of video in media concerning our fellow brothers and sisters, the way they pray, the way they answer prayer, shouting, repeating one word, talking so fast and so aggressive. Please. Prayer is not by shouting. I think yesterday being 6th of April, 6th of October, that was yesterday, this 2021. I put it in writing, but for those of us who is not familiar with reading, so to say, so that's why I said let me repeat it on a short video again like this. Don't mind the way I look. I'm free for work today, so I'm at home. This is the way I look when I'm at home. Anyway, all praise be to the Most High. Please, prayer is not by shouting. Brothers and sisters, prayer is not by shouting. If you are asking, compare it this way. If you are asking your parents for help, for example, your mother or your father, your dad, if you are asking them for a favor now, or if you bring down your mind, explain to them, talk with them the way they will understand you. Do you shout by laying your intention to them? No, your anger, your what is making you angry, you talk with them normal. Because when you are shouting, talking with somebody, the person will not understand you. Sometimes he may say, okay, go and do it your own way. So we have to also learn how to talk with God, the Most High. Prayer is not by shouting. Please. The way and repeating one word, every witches and wizard in your compound, in this, in that. What makes you believe that you as a child of God, somebody have rights over your life? What makes you believe that? Of course, they may prepare, they may make intent to do something, but it will never come to pass. And what you must know, what will be will surely be. What will happen must happen. Prayer is good, but not, let me tell you, through the way you answer prayer, sometimes through your prayer point, people will just know what your problem is exactly. You are indirectly selling yourself out to people, your issues, the way you react to prayer, the way you pray publicly. Please, prayer is not by shouting. Prayer is not by speaking on no tongue. The language you know how to speak, your own mother language that you know how to speak better, that is the same language you will use to talk with God with respect. With respect. Just the way you will talk with your parents with respect. If you need deliverance, if you need anything, talk with the Most High. Father, please come and deliver me from all this issue. Like I always say before in past, anything, if you are in need of anything, if you are in need of help, talk with respect to the Most High. He will listen to you in a language that you know how to speak better, not language that is like you just practice it, you see people doing it, you have the belief that that is the only way. Can't be shouting, go, 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 hey, every wish is a wizard, every dance in your compound. What makes you think you are not the problem of yourself? What makes you think that? You have to check your relationship with people. There are some people you temper with like this. The punishment is immediately. So sometimes, please, all this kind of aggressive prayer, prayer of wishes and wizard evil is becoming too rampant. Are you the only one that is in your village? Are you the only one is in your community that every wish will just focus on? Every wizard will focus on, everybody will focus on. There are people who are still living very better than you, who have thousands of enemies out there. They still live. Why? Because they have trust, full trust in the Most High, in God, the Most High. Please, brothers and sisters, this kind of what will I call it? Let me just try to control the kind of it's so annoying. You talk to God with respect, the way you will talk with your parents. You don't shout, give me this, bless me now. What is it? Whatever you are doing, When that is why you need a relationship with God to avoid all this kind of disgraceful and embarrassing prayer publicly. You need a relationship, just the way parents and their children have relationship. They discuss it. My children study abroad. When they call me like this, they're in need of pocket money, not money for to run the house, concerning their upkeep. I mean, just maybe for example, they want to buy just little thing that is not part of the monthly budget. Then call, oh mom, how are you? How is everything? They will first of all, oh, sometimes they will want to make me laugh, say, oh, this your profile picture is very beautiful. Oh, mommy, you look so young. Then, oh, mommy, please, do you have £2 there? Can you send me £5? I'm broke. I have long class today. Or do you have £10? I just want to do something with it in a very polite manner. Sometimes I will get angry, go and look for a part-time job. Oh, mommy, I'll be searching for. It's not there yet. There is a way a child will talk with the parents like this. The parents will say, oh, fine. Maybe he or she needs it. So the way their mother, talk with the Most High. I talk with him, my Heavenly Father, these are the issue that I'm having. I have no one to go to. Please, there are some that will pay me to the marrow of my bone. I weep. Some I shed tears while talking with the Most High. I don't talk to him. I talk with him. With you, like you sit down, you discuss with somebody with a very open and a sincere heart. That is what is prayer. Prayer is not by violence, it's not by demonstration, by repeating unknown language, shouting or suspecting everyone that they are the witch killing you, that they are the evil wishing you evil. Of course, the world is full up of evil today, but we ourselves, most of us, we are the most evil. For example, I just returned back from holiday recently. Local ticket from Benin to Lagos to Benin was supposed to be 25,000. The person that booked it for me said it's 52,000. He repeated the same thing again from Benin to Lagos. If not, that one thing led to another, I come across a friend of mine that showed me the real price. Imagine you make more profit than the person that owns the airline, who is paying tax and workers, and tomorrow you expect that you will not receive your punishment. Of course, you need to gain, but not you don't need to collect more than the owner of the flight, whereby the ticket was supposed to be 25,000. You collected 52,000 because I asked you to help me to book for tickets. Is that not evil? Then when you are facing that kind of punishment tomorrow, now you say it's witches and wizards. There are some money you don't just, there are some people you don't eat their money. There are some people you don't cheat. When you cheat, then you face different difficulties. Things will not go well. So that's why we need to, when your ways are right with God, you don't need too much prayer. It's just to say a word. You talk with confidence. You discuss with the Most High. He's your Father. Please. I don't really know how I will put this thing. I don't know. Enough of all this kind of primitive prayers. It's our time you put things, you table things, you iron things out. It's everyday relationship, for Christ's sake. Every day you discuss, you do everything. Some of you are the one that cook your food. You will cast and burn instead of just blessing or thanking God. Thank you for giving me the strength, the idea for putting this food together. You cast a ban on top of food as if maybe you left your kitchen, somebody passed your behind to go and poison it. This is so sad. Please, as a child of God, we need to talk with confidence. Rely on the Most High. He answers prayer, but not by shouting, not by unknown language. This is just my small word. Please, all praise be to the Most High. Thanks.